Hello, my third grade friends. I hope you had a wonderful 4-day weekend and are refreshed and ready to go for a new week. We have a very busy 4-day week this week, so we're going to jump right into our look back, look forward. So, looking back, last week in English Language Arts, ELA agenda for week 10. I'm going to go back there. Oh, noops. Rewind. I forgot. We combined 2 weeks of ELA. Duh. Miss Tori should have had a V8. So, Monday, April 6th, which was last Monday, you began a new module, which was artists, and you should have done your journal entry. On Tuesday, you continued with part 2 of artists, and you should have done your pre-work, which was a prediction about the story, and did your pre-write for the problem and solution paragraph. On Wednesday, you did part 3 of artists, nothing to turn in. Thursday, which was our last day before break, you did part 4 of artists, and you should have turned in your reading quiz and grammar quiz. And of course, you had off for Good Friday. For my Math B friends, now I can click on week 11. You did linear measurement again, but this time you did centimeters and meters, and you should have turned in your notes assignment on Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, you practiced IXL, which metric unit of length is appropriate, and compare and convert metric units of length. Thursday, you should have done your quiz, and then no school on Friday. My Math A friends, you know what you're up to, so I'm not going to worry about going over that. Week 11 for science, last week we wrapped up our unit on magnetism. So you had a will over 4 days on magnetism week 3 and no social studies. So this week, that was our look back. Now we'll look forward. You can look at last week's homeroom agenda here for week 11. This is the week of 413 to 417. You can access your planner here. And I'll let that load for a second. Your K4 schedule, which is in our ConnectU class as well, is right here. This is where you have your daily routine, your morning message and bell ringer, and so on. And your look back and look forward is also here. So our planner for this week. My A friend, please check out your agenda because yours is a little different. My planner for week 12, which is the 13th through the 17th, we are off on Monday for Easter Monday. For spelling, you will have on Tuesday, your first day back, your spelling test. You have the spelling bee to practice, and then you will take your test. I left your words down here for your spelling and vocabulary, and then you will not have spelling the rest of the week. Vocabulary, you will have your quiz, words at the bottom, and then nothing the rest of the week. Reading, Tuesday you will do your post work problem and solution worksheet, which you will turn in with your weekly work. And nothing Wednesday, Friday. Thursday, I will be having a workshop. Please check your email for an invitation. And I will also remind you at check-in and in a hangout prior to. Not everyone is required to come. That's why I sent out invitations, and I will let you know who you are. And if you are not required to come, I will give you something else to do. So just keep that in mind that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week for ELA are going to be a lot of you have to listen to directions to know what you're doing. So please keep that in mind. Grammar. On Tuesday, you'll do your typical self-check, identify errors in writing. And then Wednesday is another example of a workshop. Writing, same thing. Tuesday, you're going to turn in your problem and solution paragraph, the final copy, and recording. I need both to give you full credit. So you have to type up your final copy and record yourself. And then Friday is a workshop. And after the workshop, there's something you'll turn in. Other ELA, just for Tuesday, your independent reading worksheet. Math, weight, ounces and pounds this week. So we're continuing with measurement, but this time we're going to do weight. Then you'll practice on IXL. You have which customary unit of length is appropriate. Compare and convert metric units of weight. Friday, you will have a quiz. And this week, I am super excited. We are moving on from science, and we are going to have some time with social studies. So we are going to be reading about the role of choice, and we'll take a look at that here. So I'm in ELA, just a quick recap. Monday, no school. Tuesday, you're going to wrap up Module 28, the artist unit. You will turn in your spelling test, vocabulary quiz, all of your weekly work, which includes Part 5's problem and solution worksheet, the writing problem and solution paragraph, final copy, and recording, and your independent reading worksheet. On Wednesday, there is a workshop. You either have to attend or do the alternative. Again, please pay attention to directions when I send them to you. Thursday's another workshop, Friday's another workshop. We'll be doing workshops on grammar, reading, writing. And please keep in mind that there is a assignment specifically for Friday, but we will get more into that. And then my Math B friends, taking a look at that. You'll do your lesson on ounces and pounds on Tuesday with your notes assignment, practice Wednesday, Thursday, quiz on Friday. Science, we are taking a break this week. We do not have science. However, Venetia asked for week 3's science, will a magnet hold glass? Well, I could not find an exact answer to your question, but I found glass can be magnetic, ? And there is a really cool demonstration on that video. So check that out, Venetia and friends. It's something really cool. That was a great question, V. Social studies, since we're changing it up and so exciting. You will do page 1 on Tuesday, then 2 Wednesday, 3 Thursday, 4 Friday of the role of choice, and then you will turn in the worksheet for your assignment for the week. So, introduction, economic choices. You will read through this and open up your activity. This is what you will be turning in. So page 1 is Tuesday. Page 2 is Wednesday. You will read this, and you can use the tool here to listen to the recording. And then page 3 gives you further directions of how to complete this booklet. And the final page of the booklet reflects page 4. So be sure to check those out. If you have any questions, please let me know, and you will be hearing from me very shortly about your workshops and alternative assignments. All right, my friends, happy day.